Here we are going to solve differentiation of sine square x plus cos square y is equal to 1. So the best way is to differentiate it from both sides. By doing so, we will get dy by dx sine square x plus dy by dx cos square y is equal to dy by dx into 1. So d by dx of sine square x, we will get 2 sin x into d by dx of sin x, using chain rule we are doing this, plus 2 cos y into d by dx into cos y, and d by dx of 1 will be 0 as it is a constant term. So further evaluating, we will get 2 sin x, d by dx of sin x will be cos x plus 2 cos y, d by dx of cos y will be minus sin y, but since it is y and here we are differentiating with x, we will write dy by dx along with it, which will be equal to 0. Now 2 sin theta cos theta will be equal to sin 2 theta, so we can directly write sin 2x. Similarly here, if we take minus outside and 2 sin y cos y, we will get minus sin 2y, dy by dx as it is, which will be equal to 0. Now simply what we have to do is we have to shift the terms on the right hand side. This will give us dy by dx, which will be equal to sin 2x upon sin 2y. So this will be our final answer, and this is the full solution. Thank you.